Yo, hello everyone and welcome back into a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to review changes before applying in Cloud Code. To review changes before Cloud Code applies them, use the plan mode. In plan mode, Cloud reads your files and it proposes a plan, but it does not edit your code until you approve the plan. Anthropic recommends this workflow when you want to review changes before they touch your files. So, what you want to do is inside of the code itself, so inside of Cloud Code itself, what you want to do is to write down this prompt or this code in the terminal. So write down this cd so you can open your project, cd your project name, and once you are there, simply just go ahead and write this cloud permission mode plan. Then now ask code or Cloud what you want, for example, like add a login page, but show me the plan before editing files. Like for example, for this situation here, in this app that I've just created, I can literally just ask him to make a better UI, but send me the CSS file so I can review it and then he can apply it. So he needs my approval. So in this situation, let's just write down the prompt, and basically Cloud will analyze the project and explain what it wants to change before applying anything. Then you can literally just ask him to apply the elements. You can also switch to plan mode during a session by clicking Shift Tab, and this will change from the normal mode into the plan mode. So this is something to take into consideration, and you can review the plan carefully by using it itself. So he can give you the plan and then you can review it by using AI themselves, which is Cloud Code itself. And yeah, in general, that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. If you did enjoy it, make sure to drop a like, subscribe, and leave us a beautiful comment. Thank you guys a lot for watching, and see you guys in the next upcoming videos.